Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to get the venom filter on the Instagram. So if you want to click a picture in the venom character, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Instagram mobile application and you have to log into your account. Then you have to click on the your story on the left top. Click on it. Once you will click on it, you will see different filters are appear here. So you have to swipe to the left these filters like this, and you have to go to the end for the search filter. This is so you have to click on this browse effect, tap on it, and here you will see effect gallery. So you have to click on the search bar on the right top, and here you have to write the venom and search it. Here you will see different effects are appear, so you can select any venom effect from here according to your choice. And once you will select any filter from here of venom, tap on it. Once you will tap on it, here you will see try it, and also you will save it from here for future use. You can also share it with your friends. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.